Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this double photo edit on PicsArt. So I have like a PNG here, but if there's background, just remove it using the eraser tool. I just don't have the time to show you guys that, so I just use the PNG instead. We're going to grab this, and actually let me just go to photos here, go to library, and let's find like a background. I'm just going to type in city. Let's do this one. Let's place her on top. And let's just resize this photo first. I'm just gonna make the one in front a little bit smaller, like that. And I think I'm going to just gonna leave it, it's fine. Sorry. Select this image, copy and paste it, and you're going to make it bigger. Go to the erase tool and select eraser. Adjust the hardness here, and you're going to like remove half of her body. I'm just going to adjust the hardness a little bit more, and I'm going to make the size a little bit bigger. I'm just going to do that. There we go. Select apply. Just going to move this a little bit to the side first, and I'm going to bring that to the front again. Bring her behind the person here. And if you'd like to remove those, you can still kind of like edit them. You can even add in a shadow if you like to, like for the foot. There should be like better shadows on your phone, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.